What's up guys, it's Mystic, and before we start this video, go ahead and like and hit that notification bell, and let's get right into it. So as you can see, I have this custom theme on my device, and for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you could get this, and this is all without a jailbreak. So I don't have winter board, this is all no jailbreak. I'm going to show you guys how you can get custom themes, and all you're going to need right here is this link, which I'm going to have in the description, but you just click on it and it's going to take you straight to their website. You just click install Cyrus Hub and allow, and then it's going to take you here, click install. It's going to make you type in your passcode, type that in, hit install again and one more time, and now when you go to your home screen you should see Cyrus Hub has been installed. And I'm going to go ahead and delete these other themes. Alright, so now that I deleted them, I didn't want two different themes on the same device. So basically this is Cyrus Hub. As soon as you open it, it looks like this, and there should be an ad that pops up. There it goes. So click with the X on the top left. Don't hit OK or cancel because you'll just open up that ad. But as you can see, it has multiple sections, and you could download GBA, you download Kodi, look right here, Movie Bots. You can download a whole bunch of those apps, but we're going to focus on the theme section, which is right here, and it has multiple themes. But for this one I think I'm going to do Delight, and as you can see it has the screenshot, so it shows you what it looks like before you even download it. And then you can choose to do labels or no labels. I'm going to do labels just so I can know which ones I'm opening. But you click on it, you hit allow, it's going to take you here, you just hit install, type in your passcode. It's the same exact thing as downloading Cyrus Hub, except you're doing it for the themes. So as soon as you're done, it's going to be a black screen. You just press the home screen button and it just lights up and all the themes will already be there. And as you can see, they work. So just to show you, hit Amazon and it worked. Now for some of them you'll have to download the real app for it to open it. So Shazam is an example. So I'm going to go ahead and download Shazam, and I'm going to show you guys. So if you opened it without downloading Shazam, it'll just be a white screen. But if you download Shazam, it should open up Shazam. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it over here just to show you. I'm going to click on the new Shazam, which is the theme Shazam, but it's still going to open the regular Shazam. See? So for some of the apps you're going to have to download the original for it to open up, otherwise it'll just open up a white screen. But pretty much everything else work, messages, music, that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to show you guys how you get custom themes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I thought you were the one who would change my life. It's really just that simple. Nothing that was wrong ever turned out right. I did everything to please you.